After 100 new construction walkthroughs in Arlington, 3 builder names come up in almost every single tour: Classic Cottages, Cherry Hill Custom Homes, and MR Custom Homes. If you're shopping new construction in Arlington in 2026, you will see their work. So let me tell you what my clients and I actually think about each one. Hi, I'm Blake Davenport with the Davenport Group at TTR Sotheby's International Realty. Our team was the #1 real estate team in Arlington by sales volume in 2025. No one tours more homes in this market than our team. New construction is our specialty, and I've spent the last 100 days breaking down everything about it on this channel. If you're moving up from a row house in DC, or you already live in Arlington and you're upgrading new construction, this video is for you. There are plenty of great builders working in Arlington. These 3 just happen to be the names my clients and I see constantly on tour. I've done a full deep dive video on each one. Links are in the description if you want to go deeper. First up, Classic Cottages. Smaller, design-focused builder. Architecture, design, and construction, all handled in-house. That means better coordination and a more thoughtful final product. What I like, they stay current with the design, and their homes tend to sell faster than most new construction in Arlington. Our clients who have bought Classic Cottages homes have loved them. Number 2, Cherry Hill Custom Homes. They're a premier builder in Arlington, higher price point, typically around $2.6 to $5 million. What stands out is their curb appeal, cohesive interior design, and thoughtful millwork. And unlike a lot of spec builders, Cherry Hill can build a truly custom home. One home is not like the next. Their homes are some of my favorites in Arlington. Number 3, MR Custom Homes. Timeless architecture, strong craftsmanship, one of the highest priced builders in the market. Where they really stand out is quality control and follow through. Homes delivered, more complete. Shorter inspection lists, and when issues come up, they handle them. That reputation helps their homes hold value and resell quickly. Here's what I actually want you to take away from this video. The builder name on the sign is just one piece of the puzzle. It's not the whole puzzle. The lot matters, the floor plan matters, the finishes your builder chooses on the specific home matters. So when a friend tells you this builder is the best or that builder is bad, take it with a grain of salt. I like a lot of salt in my food though. Every home is its own conversation. That's where we come in. Before you write an offer, we'll walk through the home with you and tell you specifically what we're seeing, what questions to ask the builder, and how it compares everything else on the market. If you want that conversation on a home you're considering, call or text me directly at 703-350-8800. Send me the address. I'll tell you what we know about the builder, the lot, and the home. Want the full breakdown on all things new construction in Arlington? Check out our new construction FAQ section on our website. More information below. And the deep dive videos on Classic Cottages, Cherry Hill, and MR Custom Homes are linked in the description as well. Hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.